Looking to spice up your life and bring some new technology into your home? You've come to the right place. We've got an amazing new air purifier that can cleanse the air in your home in as little as 10 minutes, as well as a portable massager that can help alleviate the stress and worry from a busy day. Welcome to Future Tech. Matternet Station. The Matternet Station is a brand new form of medical equipment that can help you get results for important tests in as little as a few minutes, rather than waiting hours or days. Though, contrary to what you may think, this is a drone delivery system rather than a new form of testing equipment. The Matternet Station allows medical personnel to gather test samples and put them in a safe container. They can then place the container inside of the Matternet Station, with the station attaching the samples to a drone and flying it to the nearest testing facility immediately. This allows the facility to instantly test the samples and digitally send the results to the patient and doctor in just a few minutes. Best of all, there is a tracking system that will let everyone know when the sample is collected, when it is packaged, and when it is shipped and when it is received. This keeps the process super simple and easy to follow for everyone involved, making it one of the most painless new ways of getting information about important test results. This system is currently only available to certain branches of medical professionals, but we hope to see systems just like this implemented across the globe in the near future. Stanley Robotics. This is a very interesting new way to store your car while you're away without having to leave it in an unsecure parking lot. This new technology is able to pick up your car, with or without your keys, allowing you to quickly and easily let a computer system store your car in a nearby outdoor facility, then retrieve your car for you when you're ready to depart. This would be the perfect solution for an airport that may have several cars on the lot that are not accessed frequently. If you need to store your car for a few weeks while you're on a business trip, this would be the perfect solution. All you need to do is park your car in a Stanley Robotics car garage and walk away. Later on, a robot will come by and retrieve your car, placing it in a secure location until you need it again. When you're ready to drive home, the robot will locate your car in the lot, pick it up, and bring it to you. This helps prevent damage to your vehicle by other cars, lowers the possibility of theft, and keeps you from having to wander around in the weather, searching for the car that you parked several weeks ago. Vento. Vento is an amazing new portable fan that you can take anywhere you go. Before, it would be very difficult to take a fan with you, especially to the gym or outdoors. However, this battery-powered fan can easily fit into your bag, backpack, or purse so that you'll always have access to cool air no matter where you are. The steel construction means this fan is built to last for many years. It's also durable enough to take with you every day and has a large enough battery that you can use it for several hours without missing a beat. One of the best features about this fan is that not only does it move huge volumes of air, but it is also whisper quiet. This means you can use it virtually anywhere, maybe even a library. It is highly flexible, so you can position it wherever you may need to, allowing you to get the precise position you're looking for while you're going through an intense workout. SKG F5. Portable massagers are becoming super popular, so that means there are tons of them on the market. However, never before has a massager been so easy to use, yet also lightweight and portable. The SKG F5 is an amazing new massager that can fit in almost any bag you may have. It is rechargeable, but it packs a serious punch that can help you alleviate sore muscles, cutting down on the time it may take to recover after a difficult workout. The massager has easy-to-use buttons that allow you to turn it on or off or adjust the intensity of the vibrations. However, this massager does things differently than most. Rather than just vibrate the pain away, it offers a pushing action to penetrate deeply into your muscles to get to the root of the problem, rather than just vibrating on the surface. The arm of the massaging head moves in and out very quickly so that you can dig deep into your tissue to get the best massage possible. Best of all, when you're done, you can just plug it in and it will be ready for your next massaging session. You can even swap out the massaging heads for harder or softer pressure, depending on what you prefer. Clicbot. Clicbot is an amazing new type of robot that can change the way your child receives his or her education. This robot has recently received over $800,000 in public funding, making it one of the most highly sought-after new robots. The bot is aimed at being your family's newest member of the household, helping your children develop a close relationship with technology. The robot is able to calculate and respond in a way that can mimic household pets or other people. He can listen to you and make complicated decisions about how to move or react, even when introduced to difficult situations. He's also able to teach small children about things they may need in their daily life. The smartphone app will help teach you or your child how to transform the robot into many different shapes or forms, giving you loads of possibilities and helping enhance problem-solving skills. He can walk, crawl, race, draw, and even dance. Clicbot gives your child and family the skills they need to succeed in everyday life, while also learning from your reactions, demands, and constantly remaining up to date using online servers. Reevo Hubless e-bike. Reevo is a new type of electric transportation that aims to appeal to both bicycle riders as well as first-time e-bike riders. This bike was created from the ground up around a hubless wheel design that provides the greatest efficiency and usability you could possibly have on a bicycle. The bike is easily rechargeable and can be ridden as either a standard bicycle or an e-bike, giving you the best of both worlds so you never have to worry about your battery running low. It is filled with countless modern features, such as a theft system that will keep your bike from being stolen. You can unlock the bike with your fingerprint or the smartphone app, giving you a way to lock the bike away if you need to leave it outdoors while shopping or enjoying a meal. You can unlock the bike quickly and right away, with assisted pedaling giving you speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. You can even unlock it and let your friends or family ride your bike if they need to. You can ride at least 30 miles on a charge, and the state-of-the-art turn signals also make it very easy to stay safe throughout the day and night, alerting drivers or other cyclists of your turns or stops. USE Smart Camera Door Lock. The USE Smart Camera Door Lock is a brand new type of technology that keeps track of various locks within your home or business by scanning your face and unlocking the door, depending on who is approaching. Just walk up to the door and it will unlock for an employee or homeowner, but stay locked for anyone else passing by, including guests or an employee with a lower clearance level. You can even unlock your door remotely through the app, so you can let guests into your home or office without having to be present. We don't know how much these locks will cost just yet, but we hope pricing information will be available soon. Smartmi Air Purifer P1. This unbelievable air purifier is able to clean all the air in any room of your home in as little as 10 minutes. This helps to remove up to 99% of the dust, pollen, or smoke in a room, leaving you with a fresh, breathable air in no time. You can even connect to Siri, Amazon, or Google to turn it on no matter where you are. The Vortex technology helps this purifier to easily and quickly suck up all the air in the room, passing it through a series of sophisticated filters so you'll always have access to clean air. This would be perfect for areas that may be filled with dense smog, or for use in a home with multiple pets. If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to gain access to fresh, clean air, look no further.